loves, it's Saterra, aka a Fuller Best Bestie, here today to show you how to line your seamed on your seamed stocking. First, get your seamed stocking. Where the sole of your foot is, line it up so that the opaque part of the stocking is covering the bottom. Make sure the heel design is straight. You could use your hands to guide the stocking up, having your fingers feeling for the seam at the back and ensuring as you pull it over your leg, it's straight and not getting twisted. Once you've pulled your stocking up to your thigh, be sure to check that the seam is straight in the mirror. You can gently adjust by pulling very carefully, but be sure not to tear your stocking. Then attach your suspender belt, ensuring the back straps are in line with the seams. And you're all done. Let me know how you found this guide and subscribe for more lingerie guides and help.